Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, let's explore Agile Mindset versus Waterfall Mindset to answer PMP scenario based questions. And please watch video till the end so that we can answer two scenario based PMP questions by using these two mindsets. When answering PMP questions, always apply the right mindset lens. For Agile questions, look through the Agile mindset, collaborate, analyze together, and then act. In contrast, the traditional mindset expects you to analyze the problem first before taking action. Choosing the right lens helps pick the most appropriate answer. So, using these lens and mindsets, let's answer two PMP scenario based questions. PMP scenario question. A project manager is leading an agile project. Midway through the sprint, a key stakeholder urgently requests that a valuable new feature be added immediately. The stakeholder insists the feature is critical for business success and pressures the team to accommodate the change without delay. What should the project manager do in this situation? Now let's see the options and apply PMI and Agile mindset. As the question says, it's a sprint. We can start using Agile and PMI mindset. Looking at the option, let's see how we can eliminate the incorrect options. Direct the team to add feature immediately since the stakeholder has declared it critical. If you look at this option, we cannot direct the team and immediately add the feature. So we can eliminate this option. Escalate the issue to senior management. So the moment you see the word escalate, as a project manager and using PMI and Agile mindset, we can easily eliminate this option. And negotiate with the team to adjust scope so that the feature can be delivered within the current sprint. As per the Agile mindset, we are not supposed to adjust or add new things to the current sprint. We should allow the current sprint to go in the same flow without any changes. So we can eliminate this option. Ask the product owner to add feature to the product backlog and prioritize it for future sprints. This looks most appropriate as product owner is the person who is responsible to add new feature and prioritize for future sprints. Let's look at the answer. And answer is ask the product owner to add the feature to the product backlog and prioritize it for future sprints. PMP scenario based question. Project manager is leading a complex project. During execution, a key stakeholder urgently requests a valuable new feature to be added immediately. The stakeholder insists the feature is critical for business success. What is the most appropriate next step? Now, if you look at the project question, the project says it's a traditional project. So using traditional or PMI mindset, let's see how we can eliminate the incorrect options and select the right one. Option A, approve the request and direct the team to add feature immediately since it's critical for business. So if we apply traditional and PMI mindset, we are not supposed to approve the request immediately. So for now, we can eliminate this. And option B, document the request and initiate the change management process to evaluate its impact on scope, schedule, cost, and quality. And this is exactly the process to be followed when we have to address any change requests in traditional or waterfall projects. For now, we can select this as this is the most appropriate response in this scenario. And if we look at the next option, reassign resources to work on feature while continuing with the original project scope in parallel. So as a PMI mindset, we cannot reassign resources without proper plan as it will disrupt the existing project scope and schedule both. So we can easily eliminate this. The last option is postpone the request until after project completion to prevent disruption to current execution plan. And as a PMI and a traditional mindset, we are not supposed to postpone the request. We can eliminate this, and the best Option left is option B. So, till now, we have learned how to answer a PMP scenario based question by applying our agile and traditional mindset. If you found this valuable, please subscribe for more PMP and leadership insights. Thank you.